Looks like Rich Boy with the fur coat is back.
What are these, human?
These are presents from your fans, Vinny.
Presents? For me?
Yeah, so far we received presents for you, Bam Bam, Miss
But
Molly, and also
it's
Rocky.
not our birthdays yet. Is it our birthdays? And why is there a tree with
That
lights?
right there is called a Christmas
It's
tree.
very pretty. Can I play with it?
No.
But why not? It looks like a lot of fun. And all this paper, I just want to shred
No,
it.
don't you dare, Vinny.
Aww.
You can do that on Christmas Day. You can open up all your presents.
You promise?
I promise, Vinny, I promise.